So guys, the new router came in for the internet. Hopefully it'll be faster than the old router, because the old one is like 15 years old. I'll probably show you guys what it looks like in a minute. First of all, let me open this one up real quick. Alrighty then, here we go. Ready, set, swap. I'm just making sure there's no personal information here so I don't have to edit it out, which there was, like I thought. Okay, so basically what this is the stuff that they sent us. You know, like the At&T, you know, part numbers and stuff like that. Okay, so let's get right to it then. Let me double check, make sure there's no personal information on here. Alrighty then. So this one is definitely seems to be an upgrade from the old one that we have. Yeah. This one's a U-verse, which is a faster form of internet. Definitely a lot more outlets you can connect. Ethernet, broadband, DSL, phone lines. And I'm not going to show you the other side because it has the password for the internet. So, without further ado, I'm just going to show you the other one. And then then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So this is the old one, guys. You can see it's a lot smaller. It's not a U-verse, and it's outdated. They didn't want it back. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share. Check links in the description, and peace out.